Here I'm going to show you how to make the best raw vegan burger you have ever tried. And it is so easy. This is your open-faced raw vegan burger. So to make this one, I'm going to be using lettuce as my base, and I'm going to put a little dab of mayonnaise. And this is a cashew-based mayonnaise that I make at home. I have a raw vegan burger. I'm just going to put that as the burger base. And my burger, I made it really thick. On top, I'm just going to put a little bit of onion, and you can use some bacon. This is the secret. This is my cowboy eggplant bacon, and it has a crunch. So I'm just gonna put a slice of tomato on here. I'm gonna put a thick slice of avocado as well. And that pulls it together. And on this one, I'm just gonna top it with a little bit of garlic powder and just a little bit of salt. And the flavor is beautiful. It is keto. Some people don't like the bun and they like the lettuce drop. This one gives you options.